Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be unboxing, real quick, the latest from IPSY. Let's see what's inside, shall we? You see that there? Glow, like you just got back, which, seeing that my semester has wrapped up, finally I can start looking forward to summer. And this is the IPSY Ultimate. Loving the vacation optional, pretending that I'm going to be going somewhere or lying on the beach somewhere, just using my active, vivid imagination to get there. Finally, the light reflecting foundation. I've seen it in videos. I've seen people reviewing it. Now I finally got it. I am so excited. The packaging, of course, is iconic. And this is, I think, light 2. The next thing I have in here, oh my goodness, it's another NARS product. Oh, okay, and this is the Radiant Cream Concealer. Oh my goodness, also in light. Fantastic. It's already starting off with a bang. Next thing in here is from Gizu, or Gizu. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I will put the phonetic term down here. Their hair oil is extraordinary. Is this the hair oil? Because I am going to be, yes, this is the hair oil. Love this. I have a bottle still, and I treat it like gold. So excited. Next thing here I have is from YSL Yves Saint Laurent. And what is this? It says YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze. Oh, this is so exciting. What is going on? Loving it. The next thing I have here is from Sile or Silo or Sile. Because usually if it has an O at the end, it would be Silo, which means sky. So I'm like, that's interesting. Sile. And this is their blush cream powder. Oh my goodness, this is the Apothecary Wild Rose from Kors. This is the night brightening sleeping facial. I'm definitely going to start using this to go to sleep for the summer. This smells incredible. I've had this before. Love, love, love this. This is an OG. So to see it back in my box, I'm like, what? Next thing I have here is from Bisha. And I've had products from them before. And this is their Essential Setting Powder. Oh my goodness. What? What? And then there's this mysterious little box. I have no idea. The description goes, my dream palette mid. What is this? I'm wondering if this is, okay. Bear with me. Oh my gosh, it is Natasha Denona, my dream palette. It's a lot in here to go over, experience, and enjoy. Some of these things are oldies but goodies, like the Kors and the Gisu. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If not, I'm so sorry. The hair oil. But then there's other products like NARS, which is an OG. But I've had the Radiant Creamer. The Radiant Cream Concealer, and I'm just agog because it's really nice, their concealer. But to try their foundation, I'm so excited. I can't wait. But this, I can't believe I got all of these products in there. I think some of these might be add-ons. I'm not sure. But then it is the ultimate box, and normally they have like extra stuff in there. This is called the Summer Collection. So I have to say I am above and beyond excited. I just want to show you what some of these bottles and containers look like, because look how sexy that is. I will be reviewing this in an upcoming video. So there's that. I want to see what this is. Oh, I'm here thinking it's an actual like powder but it's an actual tool. It's a double-sided, double-ended tool. Nice. And it reads, it's blush for cream or powder. So there you go. Oh, wow. So I received a tool. I received a foundation, some for the skin, some for the hair. The OG concealer, gotta love. Again, I'll probably be using this. Yep. So exciting. Oh my gosh. And then this is interesting. The Yves Saint Laurent Love Shine Candy Glaze. Look at that packaging. Is that gorgeous or is that gorgeous? I'm sorry about the lighting. One of my lights went down. Okay, this is how you unplug. I hear a clicking. Am I doing this right? I don't want to do too much, but that's the color. Oh, it feels it glides on. It's very smooth, buttery. It does have a slight scent like citrus fruit. Yeah, citrus. Hmm. Mm. And it has just a hint of color, so it's like an apricot-y. Mm. And then this is the Chorus product. If you can see that. Let me see if it smells as good as I remember it. Oh, yes, it does. Look how thick that is. And this is a nighttime repair cream that will explain that as well. And this goes on at night. And it just like sinks into my skin quickly and easily. Yeah, I don't have to apply a lot on. But it is scented, so if you're not into any kind of scents, this may not be for you. And apply a little at the bottom. I'm trying to use different fingers, but I'm the only one that's going to use this anyway. Oh, this feels like a nice drink of water. I think I might keep this in the fridge just to get that added benefit of the coolness of from the refrigerator. Lovely, gotta love it. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the IPSY Ultimate. And I believe this is the summer box. I'm so excited. I will put further information here if anything. Again, let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't figured out by now, I am very, very happy with what I received. Let me know in the comments below what you think of IPSY Ultimate and whether or not you have a subscription. Are you an Ipster? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing adventure with IPSY. This is, again, not an ad. It's not sponsored in any way. But hey, hi IPSY. How you doing? Again, let me know in the comments below what you think. And I will see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe.